I had someone slip into my DMs the other day and ask me, Dave, what is content creation? So in this video, I want to break it down for you. Content creation is the process of taking your knowledge, your education, your training, and your skills, and turning your ideas, lessons, stories, opinions, and expertise into something your audience can consume. That could simply be a post on Facebook, a video on YouTube, an email, a podcast, a carousel, a live stream, a short lesson, a community post. But here's the part that most people miss. Content creation is not just about posting stuff. It's not just staying visible online either. And it's definitely not throwing random tips online and hoping someone buys from you. Because good content has a job to do. It helps people understand a problem, shift how they think, they trust your perspective, and they take that next step. For coaches, course creators, affiliates, local business owners, and beginners, content is how you show people what you do, build trust with them before the sale, explain your process, answer their objections, share proof, start conversations, and lead people towards your offer. So the simple answer is this. So content creation is how you package your knowledge, your education, your training, and your skills into a way that attracts, teaches, connects, and converts your audience. The goal is not to become a full-time content machine. The goal is to create content that helps the right people see the value in what you do. That's why I'm a member of the One Group operating system. We don't treat content just like a daily guessing game. We treat it like a simple operating system, one that helps you know exactly what to say, why you're saying it, who's it for, and how it connects back to what you sell. Because content creation is not just about getting attention. It's about turning that attention into trust and trust into buyers. If you want help building a content system instead of guessing what to post every day, comment group down below and I'll send you the details.